Hello, in this video I want to show you how to delete user from your Nintendo Switch Lite console. And to do this we'll need to open system settings, but first let's click on home. Then go for the users. Now choose the user you want to delete and keep in mind you can't delete the main account, it's this one for this console. So let's go for this poor fella, click A on him, and then at the bottom you can find delete user, click on it, and here you can see that all saved data for this user will be deleted. You need to click on the delete, and then go for the next. Now delete this user, and from here this person should be removed from the console. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.